Hey, this is Russell Turner with Navigating My Medicare. This segment is Medicare supplements. Hey, this is Russell Turner with Navigating My Medicare. This segment is Medicare supplements, which the real name of Medicare supplements is Medigap. So you will hear those two terms used interchangeably, either Medigap or Medicare supplements. Medigap is just that. It fills the gaps that Medicare does leave open. For example, Medicare is an 80-20 plan. So Medicare pays 80%. You're responsible for the 20%, the beneficiary, whoever's in Medicare. So here's the way it works. Depending on which plan you have, they're labeled A to N. Your G plan is your most inclusive. It covers all the 20% that Medicare doesn't cover. But remember that Medicare supplements are a true supplement to Medicare, meaning any doctor that takes Medicare is going to take your Medicare supplement, your Medigap policy. If Medicare is going to cover the 80, it's going to cover the 20. So, but if Medicare doesn't cover it, your Medigap's not going to cover it. You must buy a drug plan with Medicare, therefore you must buy a drug plan with Medigap. You still have to pay your Part B premium, which is $185, which is the standard. So you pay your $185 a month. And again, if you're drawing Social Security, it comes out of your Social Security check. If you are not drawing Social Security, they'll send you a quarterly bill. So with Medigap, there are no copays. There's no co-insurance. There's also no networks. So any doctor that takes Medicare will take your Medigap. Now, Medicare does not have dental, vision, or hearing. Therefore, Medigap does not have dental, vision, or hearing. One thing about Medigap policies is they're not regulated by the government. They will raise your rates every year. Some companies can raise your rates a couple of times a year. So it's really good to kind of really sit down and look at all of your options, look at the different companies, and the different premiums. Bear in mind, though, that a G plan is a G plan. And what I mean by that is Company Alpha's got a G plan. They want $110 a month for it. Company Zebra's got a G plan. They want $250 a month for it. The difference is the premium. They are mandated that they all work exactly the same. So should you have any additional questions and find out if Medigap is going to be right for you, please don't hesitate to pick up the phone and give me a call at 803-640-4039. Again, Russell Turner, Navigating My Medicare, 803-640-4039.